Hello dear students, today I am here with my second video to discuss with you people related to different grammar aspects. As in my previous video I discussed about the types and usages of articles. So in this video I am discussing with you the meaning as well as different types of sentences. So first we will go with the meaning of sentence. What is sentence? What is sentence? Sentence is a group of words which gives complete sense of meaning. Sentence is a group of words which gives complete sense or meaning. So all those group of words which gives complete sense or meaning, we call it as a sentence. For example, Rohan is dancing. Rohan, it's a particular word, is as well as dancing. What we did in this sentence, we combined these three different words and we made it as one particular word which is giving a complete sense as well as meaning. What Rohan was doing? Rohan is doing nothing but is dancing. So the dancing entire sense, it gives that Rohan is dancing. So it is a word which gives us the complete sense as well as the meaning. So we call it as a sentence. So in sentence, for our convenience and for our understanding, we have divided sentence into 4 types. How many types? 4 types. The first sentence or the first type of sentence is assertive or declarative sentence. Second one, interrogative sentence. Third one, imperative sentence. Fourth, as well as the last one, exclamatory sentence. So in sentence are having 4 types: assertive or declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and the last one, exclamatory sentence. Now we'll discuss these 4 sentences one by one, what this sentence actually means. The first one, assertive or declarative sentence. A sentence which gives a statement. All those sentences which gives a statement, we call it as assertive or declarative sentence. For example, he is a good boy. He is a good boy. How is that boy? He's a good boy. So what the sentence is doing? It is giving a particular statement. It is not asking a question. It is not telling about the quality. Nothing. All those things. What the sentence is doing? He is a good boy. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. It is also can be considered as a sentence, which can be, we call it as the assertive or declarative sentence. So all those sentences gives a statement, and we need to understand at the end of the assertive sentence we come across with a full stop. So if a full stop comes in, generally it can be a assertive or declarative sentence. This is the first one. The second one is, and the simple one, that is second type of sentence, interrogative. So what is interrogative sentence? All those sentence which ends with a question mark, we call it as interrogative sentence. Where are you? Where are you going? What are you doing? What are you doing? So what we find here? We find the question mark at the end. So all those sentences which ends with a question mark can be considered as interrogative sentence. I hope you understood the second type of sentences. The third one, imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? Imperative sentence is a sentence which gives a command. Whenever we give a command to somebody or command to something, it is considered as imperative sentence. Command. Example. Come here. So what I did? I gave a command. Here also it ends with the full stop. Don't go there. Here also there is a command. Stand up. Generally we say to the students in the class, stand up. So what I did? I gave a command to the student, stand up. Go out of the class. Come in. So what I did? I gave the command. So all those sentences which gives a command, we call them as imperative type of sentences. Next one, the last one, fourth one, exclamatory sentences. All those sentences which express something about strong feeling or emotions, we call them as exclamatory sentences. Or the sentences which ends with the exclamatory mark, we call those sentences as exclamatory sentences. For example, oh my God, we won the match. So here I am only having a we can say that a shock that we won the match. So all those sentences which ends with the exclamatory mark, we call them as exclamatory type of sentences. So in this video, what we discussed about the different types of sentences as well as the meaning. Sentence is nothing but a group of words which gives complete sense or meaning. We call it as a sentence. So in sentence, we're having four types: assertive declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and the fourth one, exclamatory sentence. Thank you.